My name is Thomas Bedeau. I'm from the office Bedeau de Brouwer Architects. My grandfather started our office in 1937. I'm the third generation. And what we did since the beginning is that we put always the windows behind the brickwork so you don't see any frame at all. And that's why we chose in this project for the Geolan profiles. This church is built in 1953 and we turned this church into housing. In this project we work together with Hilva. Hilva is the project developer and we were very happy we could convince them to keep this space open because they could make extra floor for the housing, but then you lose the quality of the total space. And the contractor who built this project was Van Gisbergen, and it was quite difficult to build this because we only have the entrance door and everything had to go through this small entrance door. So the elements we used in this project could be very big. I was the architect of this project. Our technical team worked together with Geolan and they did the engineering of this project. The quality of a church has two sides. You have the outside and the inside. And what happens if you make houses in the church, you lose the interior quality of the church because the church is a large open space. But what we did, we kept the space open. The church used to have small windows. You need more daylight when you use the church as a church. So we cut out the windows to lower. So on the first floor you have a windowsill and then about 2 meters high window. And downstairs you have windows on the floor, about 2 meters high. When you cut out of the brickwork, you see the remains of the cutting edges. So we put aluminium to cover it and then we put the Cubus system behind the brickwork. We had to solve the ventilation, so it's also hidden above the window. So on the outside you don't see the Dauerluftung. And we have to deal with fire regulations, so these are special windows which are fireproof. When we started, this building was not a monument. The city asked us, please keep it, but we were free to do things with it, but we kept the building and we left everything except from the windows as much as it is. When we finished, the people from the village were very happy and now it's a monument. So it used to be a church for 50 years and now it can be a housing project for the next 50 or 100 years.